Yay!
Hello everyone, my name is Jacqueline and we're here with another episode of MakeCode in the Kitchen. And I'm here with
Cyan and Sage.
That's right. And every Friday afternoon we come to you with another making and coding project that you can do at home while everyone's quarantined due to COVID. So we've shifted away from the Circuit Playground Express and now we're working on projects with the microbit. Cyan and Sage, can you tell me a little bit, what is a microbit?
A microbit is a mini computer.
Yeah, you want to show people? Yep. Yeah, it's a mini computer. What does it have on it?
Buttons and pins.
Mm-hmm. 2 buttons, an A and a B button.
Price tag. Why is a price tag? Is that a price tag?
No, that's just a certification tag.
Oh.
What's in the middle there?
Lights.
Yep. So it has how many lights does it have on it?
1, 2, 3.
It's a 5x5 matrix of lights. So what is that? 5 up and 5 across.
5 times 5.
5 times 5. Do you guys know your times tables? What's
5 times 5 is
25.
25. That's right. 25 lights. Now, what color are these lights?
Red.
Red.
Unfortunately,
any other colors?
only red.
Only red. That's right. Only red. 2 buttons, some pins. What else does it have on it?
Lights.
What kind of sensors?
It has pins.
So how does it can it sense motion?
Yeah. It
Okay.
has a motion sensor.
It has a motion sensor, an accelerometer. Yep.
And a sound sensor.
No, so this microbit does not have a sound sensor, but it does have a temperature sensor.
And it also has Bluetooth.
That's right. It has Bluetooth communication, so you can actually communicate between your microbits as well. So a lot of really cool stuff packed on this little microcontroller device.
What's this third button?
That's a reset button on the back. So Sage was talking about this little button on the back here. That's the reset button. But we shouldn't have to need to use that. So, can you tell me what we created last time with the microbit?
We created... Mine is sideways. Micropets!
That's right. We created these cute little micropets with a microbit for their face. And we did like cool little animations of happy faces or angry faces. And
on a rat.
Yeah. So can you tell us a little bit about the inspiration behind the micropet you created?
I got 2 new members of the family.
That's right.
They are rats.
Your first pets. A pair of white rats. And so that's what, is that what you created here?
Yep.
A little white rat for your micropet.
Well,
And Sage,
more of a giant white rat.
a giant white rat, yes. Sage, what did you create as your micropet?
I just created a tabby cat because I wanted to.
Yeah, a tabby cat. It's beautiful, and I love the orange color here too. So, so this week, what are we going to create?
Can I? We're gonna create, DreamCatchers.
That's
where's
right.
that? There it
These beautiful DreamCatchers. Yeah, with microbit DreamCatchers. So what do DreamCatchers do? Sage, can you tell us? What's the point of DreamCatchers?
They catch dreams.
They
And
catch
bring them-
dreams.
And
That's
bring
right.
them down.
And
while
where are
you're
you supposed to
into your
hang these?
In your bedroom.
That's right. You're supposed to hang these in your bedroom over your bed while you're sleeping, right?
Yeah.
So that they catch the dreams.
We have some, but we don't really use them.
Yeah. So we're gonna create these microbit dream catchers that actually do catch some dreams. And when you shake them, the dream that they catch displays on the screen. So cat kicks Sage. Cat kicks Sage. That was the dream that it caught. So we're going to show you how you do that. It's a random selector, so if we shake it again, we should get a different one. Is that moon, Oh, kicks again. Moon kicks again is the verb. What is that? Snow. Moon kicks snow. Wow, that's pretty abstract dream. So that's what we're going to be creating today. So Cyan, what materials do we need for this project?
We need sticks.
Okay. Yep.
To make your base, and
I think
hot
it just
glue.
said
I
tactics.
suggest parental supervision for these.
Yeah, when you use the hot glue to glue together your sticks. Or what other kind of sticks can you use if you don't want to use the craft sticks?
You can use sticks that you can find in your backyard. Ta-da!
Yep, so you can just get regular sticks that you pick up from your backyard and kind of glue them together to make the base of your dream catcher. Or you can just use the craft sticks, like popsicle sticks that we used in our dream catcher. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. What else do you need?
You need yarn.
You need some yarn, yep, to like kind of wrap around your dream catcher. Like you want to show how you kind of created a cool little star.
I did a circle, and then I just took a different type of string, and then made a circle, and then took the string and then kind of
made a little pattern inside of it.
Yeah.
That's very cool.
These actually connect this and this.
I love it. And then you had a little bit of ribbon, it looks like. Sage, on this one, it looks like there's a little bit of ribbon.
Yep.
So if you have some little ribbons, you can tie onto your dream catcher too.
Guess who did that one?
So, I actually didn't do this one.
What? Oh dear, you're admitting to everyone. So who did this one? It's
Andrea.
beautiful. It looks like a moon, doesn't it?
But Andrea didn't want to come on the
Yeah, so Sage is demoing Andrea's dream catcher here. So very cool.
Which, behind the camera, she's just shaking her head.
And then what else did you need? I see you've got some pipe cleaners here, so you can also use pipe cleaners in your dream catchers as well. And then Sage, I noticed you have some materials behind you. Can you show what else you need here?
For like the things that hang from the strings.
Which Mom broke
You can
mine.
attach
Feathers. It looks like we got some feathers, and what else have we got here?
Pom-poms.
Pom-poms, yep.
Pom-poms.
Okay. And then scissors and tape, right? To tape on your microbit.
Tape.
So I think that's pretty much it. All the materials you need. Oh, and of course, you do need a microbit.
What about
which,
sticks?
Main ingredient.
Yeah, she just went over sticks.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, this is the main ingredient, which you can buy for, I think it's about $17 online. And the Go Kit has the microbit, it has a batteries and battery pack in it. So, okay. So once we have all our materials gathered, Cyan, can you walk us through how you made it?
All right. First, I took the sticks and did a star design.
Okay.
And then I hot glued them together.
Hot glue the sticks all together.
Just kidding, it's not actually on. That'd be.
And then you
And then I did the string and
did
on
the
inside.
yarn design on the inside.
And then I
Used a
attached
little
it
piece
in.
of ribbon
Yep. And
to
then
hang it.
And then I did the bottom strings.
Yeah, so tell us
Although-
how you did the bottom strings. These look a little bit complicated here.
All right, I tied them to the top, and then I took other pieces of yarn and tied them together, and tied them onto the pom-poms, and
Onto
then I
the
tied
pom-poms.
those onto the main strings.
Okay.
Although Mom broke mine and disordered them.
Oh,
this
dear.
is supposed to be
Okay,
here.
sorry.
I noticed, and this is supposed to be here, and this is supposed to have a blue pom-pom right there.
Okay, yes, the color scheme really matters. So I noticed that you went for a blue and white and purple theme
Yes.
with this. But you can do whatever color scheme you want for your dream catchers.
Like green, red.
And I think the
Mom,
more
you
dangly
disappoint
things...
me.
Okay. I think the more dangly things, the more dreams it catches, right? So you want to do a lot of little dangly things on your on your dream catcher. So do you want to show us this one, Andrea's, what she has on it?
Yeah.
Okay, can you sit up?
It's like laying down, like, this is what I did.
Mm-hmm.
This.
Mm-hmm.
No, we gone from the
Well,
picture, okay.
This is actually Andrea's, so I can't say much about this.
But what did she do? It looks like she kind of made 2 sticks.
Yeah, she actually cracked the sticks.
Oh, wow.
She cut up all the sticks.
She cut the sticks, and then she kind of wrapped ribbon.
And then she hot glued them together.
She hot glued all of the little
wrapped
sticks together.
Wrapped
ribbon
and
around
then,
it.
Wrapped yarn to
did the
hold them together.
crisscross yarn all around to catch the dreams.
And she put some yarn up here.
Okay.
To for the hook.
To hang it.
And then she put
more yarn here.
Mm-hmm.
No,
it's not yarn. That's string.
She put more
Yellow
string
and
here.
Yeah.
And she hot glued pom-poms.
Oh,
and
lovely.
Feathers.
And I love this yellow and white theme with sort of the black moon. It's very beautiful. All right, very cool. So once you're done making your dream catcher, then you can just tape the battery pack as well as the microbit onto your dream catcher somehow.
You better not have glued it.
No, what we did is we looped a piece of duct tape around on itself to make a double-sided piece of duct tape, and then just put it on the back of the microbit and then stuck it on our dream catcher. So you can kind of see here. We just did a double-sided piece of duct tape, put it on our dream catcher, and then taped the battery pack onto the back of it. And then you can hang your dream catcher, and when you wake up in the morning, you can give it a shake and see what dream it caught. So this one is dog eats
Eating
snow. Dog eats snow. So that was kind of a interesting dream.
Snow.
Yeah, that's the dream that it caught. A dream of a dog
Can
eating
we do
snow.
another one?
So now, once we're done
Can we do it
making
again?
our dream catchers, you guys want to figure out how to code them?
Dog kick.
Dog kicks what? Sage. Dog kicks Sage. Oh dear.
First there was a cat that kicked me, now there's a dog.
All right. So who wants to code with me? Cyan?
No.
Since Sage coded last week.
Kick snow.
Sage coded last week. We're gonna have Cyan code this week. Okay.
Yay!
Yay!
All right. So once you're done making your dream catcher, go ahead and open up a computer. And Cyan, can you tell us where we need to go?
To the www.microsoft.com.
No, it's MakeCode.com.
It says Microsoft.com.
Yeah, so
right
it's
there.
a shortcut link though. So if I type MakeCode.com in the web browser and just hit enter, it'll take me here.
All right. Then you press on microbit because we're doing the microbit.
That's right. So click on the microbit card here, and then it'll open up our microbit web editor, and we're just going to create a new project, and we'll call this project DreamCatcher. How about?
DreamCatcher.
All right.
I love the emojis at the top.
Yeah, yeah, because we want you to name your project. All right. So so now we're here in the MakeCode editor. And the first thing we're going to do, we actually don't need this forever block. So, Cyan, how do you delete blocks?
You move it into your toolbox, which is the one where Mom has that forever over it.
Yep. How else can you do it?
Forever over. Right click.
You can right click.
Press delete block.
Or you can just select it and press the delete key on your keyboard.
Yeah, that's probably the simplest way.
Probably the simplest way, yep. So now for this project, we're going to use something called arrays.
Array.
We've used arrays before. So can you tell me what an array is?
Array is a list.
That's right, yeah.
In a certain order.
That's right, it certainly is. And what did I compare arrays to in the past? I compared them to a row of mailboxes,
Oh,
Remember?
yeah.
That you can like put different things in each mailbox. So in this case, we're going to use a text array because we're going to put words in these arrays. Are we
going to type in on our phones?
Oh, no, we're not going to be texting, but we're going to use words instead of numbers. So let's go ahead and make a few arrays. We're going to rename them. So, so for this one, let's call this our first noun because that's the first word in our dream. And then let's make 4 words, okay? So what's the first word you want? We need 4 nouns. No. It has to be something like moon or dog or cat
Moon.
or sage.
Star.
Star. Okay, let's do
Wait,
star.
no, I have an idea.
What?
Mom.
Okay, let's do star and mom. Now, one thing you notice what I'm doing? I'm adding a space at the end of my word because when we put these words together, we want to have a space between them. So star, mom, what else?
Sage.
Sage, okay. What else?
Andrea.
And Andrea, okay. All right, so this is our first array. Our second one, let's make this a new variable. Let's call this the verb. So this will be the verb that we're going to be using. What's some verbs? We need 4 verbs.
Run.
Run. Okay.
Hit.
Oh, that's kind of violent.
You put kick.
I did put kick, yes.
Eat.
Eat. Okay. What else?
Devour. Instead of eat.
Oh, you want devour instead of eat? Okay. I would also suggest keeping these words short since they do scroll across the screen of the microbit. So, what else? Any ideas for another verb? We need one more verb.
Run.
We already have run. What about kisses? That's nice. That's we have hit.
Hug.
Hug. Okay, let's do hug.
I'm not going farther than that.
Not going farther than that. Okay. So we've got our first noun, our verb, and then we need our second noun. So let's go ahead and notice what I was doing, Cyan. A shortcut. I was right-clicking
and pressing duplicate.
That's right. And that will copy it.
Mom's like, no.
Okay, so let's do second noun here. And what's the second noun? We need 4 nouns.
Moon.
Moon. Okay.
Sun.
Sun. Oops. What else?
Dad.
Dad. Okay. What else? How about rats?
Yeah, rats.
Okay. All right.
I'm like,
so this is going to be the words that we're going to use for our dreams. Then, to trigger our dreams, what do we need?
On shake.
That's right, because remember we shake the microbit. What sensor does the on shake block use on the microbit?
The accelerometer.
It uses the accelerometer or the motion sensor. That's right. So on shake, we're going to create our dream. So let's go ahead and
random, which is in logic.
Yep. But before we get to pick random, let's create a variable that will hold the sentence or the dream sentence. So I'm going to click on the variables toolbox drawer, and I'm going to click make a variable, and I'm going to call it what, dream?
Yeah.
Okay. Dream. All right. And so we're going to grab this set dream block 2, and then we need to get a 1 word from each of these arrays. So to get something from an array, we're going to go to our arrays category and open up this And let me know, Cyan, if you think you know what block to use.
Get value at.
That's right. So what this block does is it gets the value in a list at a certain index. So we're going to use this block here. We're not going to put it in just yet. What's the value?
Pick random.
Pick random. Ding, ding, ding.
Which is in logic.
Oh,
math.
Math. That's right. So the pick random block is in the math toolbox category. And this,
I was thinking of the pick random from this to this.
Yes, that's right. That's in math. So.
Oh, it is.
Mm-hmm.
I thought it was in logic.
So we're going to pick a random number between a minimum and a maximum value. Cyan, remember when we talked about arrays last time? What is the first index of an array? So for example, in here, what is this first index
Star.
value? No, but what number is it?
0.
Yes. So it's tricky because you'd think that it would be in the first position, right? It would be 1, 2, 3, 4, right? But arrays don't work like that. Arrays start at 0. So this is actually 0, 1, 2, 3.
There's 3 there.
Well, there's 4, right? We've got 4 words.
There is 3.
But what?
There's 3.
Well, there's 4 words.
There's 3 words.
But we
0, 1, 2, 3. 3 words.
But we start at 0. Yep. So we're gonna pick a random value from our array list from 0 to 3. Yep. And we're going to select, instead of list here, we're going to select our first noun. So this will return a random word from this first noun array. And we're going to do the same for verb and for second noun. So let's do verb, same thing, because we have 4 values in that too. And then the last one is second noun. Yep. And now what we need to do is we need to find a way to put all these together, right? Because we've got a random word from our first array, a random word from our verb array.
Can I see something
yeah.
real quick?
Yeah.
If I look in here,
Yep.
there's the Where's the big thingy?
What big thingy?
There's like this big bubble.
Are you thinking about Minecraft and positions, adding positions?
Oh, probably. Yeah, that's
yeah,
what
you've been
about.
coding a lot with Minecraft recently, so I think that's what you're thinking about. So in Minecraft,
my mind is going bonkers.
there's a big round block that you can use to add different coordinates together from the game, coordinates in the Minecraft game. But what we're actually going to use is something in the text toolbox drawer. So I don't think we've actually used any blocks from text before, have we?
Because it's in the advanced, and the only thing we've used in the advanced is the arrays.
That's right. Yep. So this is a big milestone moment for us. We're on to our second advanced category. Yay! So yes. So in the text toolbox category, you will see a block called join. So this block actually joins together different text fields.
Cool.
So yeah, so we're going to use this block, and we want 3 fields. So I'm going to click the plus button on here, and we're going to drop it right in here. So now this is going to get quite long. So let me drop the first noun, drop the verb, and then drop the second noun here. So, wow, this is super long. So let's go through and read this if we can. So dream is kind of our dream sentence.
Yeah. Set dream sentence to.
And we're going to join this first noun. We're going to get a value from, it's going to be either Star, Mom, Sage, or Andrea. Andrea. And then we're going to join it.
You know this by now.
We're going to join it to this random value from our second array. So it's either going to be run, hit, devour, or hug. And then we're also going to join it finally with our second noun, a random value from our second noun.
I'm going to have fun with this.
Which is moon, sun, dad, and rats. So that's what the code looks like. All right, so let's go ahead and try this in the simulator. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. And now when we shake it, shake, shake, shake. Maybe just press the button. Oh, you know what? We forgot. We didn't display it. Duh. So we actually need to show whatever our dream
Yeah.
is. So go to your basic toolbox drawer, grab a show string block, and we're going to drop in our dream variable here. All right. So now, Cyan, do you want to do the honors? Shake it. There we go. Okay, what is it?
Sage
Runs. Oh, run. Runs. Moon.
Moon.
Sage runs to the moon. I love it.
Sage run moon.
Sage runs to the moon. That's an interesting dream. I can just imagine a dream about that.
Wait,
You want to add an S there? Okay, let's make it a capital. You want to add S's for all of these?
Yeah.
Okay. Runs, hits,
devours,
hugs. Okay. All right. So now when we shake, star, hugs, moon.
Star
Hugs moon. Okay, that's cool. I can see a dream about a star hugging a moon. That would be a really cool dream. Star hits. Oh. Dad. All right. So let's go ahead and download this onto the microbit. So to download,
Wait.
are you still working on this?
Yes.
What do you want to change this to?
I want to change moon and mom.
Okay.
Sage and rats and Andrea and son.
So you want to move these around?
I just want to flip them.
Okay, so this is going to be moon. And this is going to be star?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what do you want? What else do you want?
Mom and son.
Okay, so this is going to be sun.
That's going to be mom.
This is going to be mom. Okay. And what else?
And then sage and rats.
Okay. This will be rats. And this is going to be sage.
And
Okay.
Andrea and star.
Okay. So you're putting all the people down at the bottom.
Yeah,
Is essentially
basically.
what you want to do. Okay. Star.
You forgot to put a space. Just let me know.
Oh, okay. Thank you. This is good. This is why peer programming is great, because you can catch each other's errors. So,
All right. Let's see.
So now let's see.
Star.
Hugs. Sage.
Sage.
Aww.
A star hugs you, Sage.
So, okay.
Press shake again, please.
So let's go ahead and download this onto the microbit. So in order to do that, you need a USB cable and a microbit, and you plug in the end of your USB cable into your microbit,
Andrea.
just like so, and it should show up.
Rats run Andrea. Rats runs Andrea.
The rats run Andrea crazy, run Andrea around, chases Andrea. That would be a nightmare, probably. So once
It's
you
supposed to be DreamCatcher, not a nightmare
catcher. All right. So once you've plugged your microbit in, what do you do, Cyan?
Hit the
download button. Now, if you notice,
zombie.
this little download button has a little USB icon next to it, which means we've already paired our microbit with this computer. Now, if you haven't done that, you have an option. So I'm just going to disconnect it here to show Oh, this is how you unpair it. So it's using something called Web USB. So we can unpair it, and then you'll have the option to pair the next time you download. So let's go ahead and shake this and see what comes up, Cyan.
Okay. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this.
Okay, so I'm gonna put us back into full screen mode.
Star.
Let's show people. Hugs.
Hugs. It likes hugs a lot.
Yeah.
Sage.
Star hug sage.
Again.
Okay, let's do it. See if we come up with a different one. Star again. Oh. Star runs dad.
Star runs dad.
All right, next one. Rats runs.
It likes runs.
Yep. Sage. Like sage too. Yeah. Rats run sage. Rats again.
Rats.
So you can try out the randomness and see if it favors one or the other. You could also put more words into your dream catchers, so you have more variety of words it can choose from. So
Sun.
I hope you found that valuable. Sage, come back here so we can say goodbye to everyone.
Sage. Sun hugs sage.
Sun
All
hugs
these
sage.
planets are hugging sage.
All right.
Unfair.
Well, thanks so much for joining us for another episode of Make Code in the Kitchen.
MakeCode!
Where
MakeCode.com.
we make and code something new every week. Next week, we're going to continue working with the microbit. What do you guys want to code next week?
I don't know.
I don't know. We'll find something fun to code with the microbit next week and make. So, thanks everyone for watching.
Bye.